How to claim Discord Nitro without credit card. Now, you can actually claim it by using a fake credit card, but your account might be at risk on getting it banned. Now, another method of claiming is by receiving gifts from someone or maybe from your friends, like Gift Nitro, like this one. I go ahead to Nitro, and then this part right here, Gift Nitro. This is actually an invite. Clicking it and then sending it to a specific person you wanted to provide a gift from, and then they'll be the ones to claim it without any credit card to enter. Now, this specific method allows you to claim Discord Nitro or any gift without using a credit card or any payment method needing for you to enter online. So just a reminder, using fake credit card to get Discord Nitro will put your account at risk.